Hello friends. Today we will learn 7th Science chapter number 6 Measurement of Physical Quantities Part 2. नमस्ते विद्यार्थी मैत्रिणींनो. आज आपण 7वी विज्ञान पाठ क्रमांक 6 भौतिक राशींचे मापन या पाठातील भाग 2 अभ्यासणार आहोत. Now our next topic, that is standardized measurement. प्रमाणित मापन. हे समजण्यासाठी आपण आता एक ॲक्टिव्हिटी पाहूयात. Measure the length of a bench by means of the span of your hand. Ask your friends to do the same. Did each of you obtain the same measure for that bench? What could be the reason? वर्गातील कोणत्याही एका बाकाची लांबी तुम्ही व तुमचे मित्र मिळून प्रत्येकाच्या वितीने मोजा. प्रत्येकाने मोजलेली लांबी एकसारखी आहे का हे पहा. वरील ॲक्टिव्हिटीमध्ये प्रत्येकाने मोजलेली लांबी वेगवेगळी असणार आहे, कारण प्रत्येकाच्या वितीचे माप वेगवेगळे आहे. म्हणजेच प्रत्येक व्यक्तीच्या शरीराच्या भागांची मापे निरनिराळी असतात. त्यात काहीही प्रमाणीकरण नसते. त्यामुळे शरीराच्या भागांचा वापर करून मोजमाप करणे योग्य नाही हे लक्षात येते. Here, if we can measure the length of bench as 2 hand spans, 3 hand spans, and so on. However, the length of the bench measured by each one of us will come out to be different. That is why a hand span cannot be a standard unit for measuring length. मापनासाठी प्रमाणित मापांची आवश्यकता असते. या मापांना प्रमाणित एकके म्हणतात. Standardized measures are required for measuring things. Such measures are called standard units. To overcome variation in the measurement, the need of system of standard units was felt. The unit which is acceptable by majority of people as basic units of measurement is called standard units. The internationally accepted system of units is called standard international units. It should have some characteristics such as the unit should have convenient size. Its value should not change with respect to place and time. The system of units should be acceptable everywhere. It should be well defined. For example, the meter is the specified unit for measuring length. Gram and kilogram are the units of mass. Prevailing system of measurement. प्रचलित मापन पद्धती. First, MKS system. In this system, distance is measured in meters, mass in kilograms, and time in seconds. MKS या मापन पद्धतीत लांबी मीटरमध्ये, वस्तुमान किलोग्रॅममध्ये व काळ म्हणजेच वेळ सेकंदामध्ये मोजतात. सेकंड, CGS system. In this system, distance is measured in centimeters, mass in grams, and time in seconds. CGS या मापन पद्धतीत लांबी सेंटीमीटरमध्ये, वस्तुमान ग्रॅममध्ये व काळ म्हणजेच वेळ सेकंदामध्ये मोजतात. In the MKS system of measurement, distance, mass, and time are accepted as the fundamental quantities. These three quantities are used to measure all other quantities. MKS मापन पद्धतीमध्ये लांबी, वस्तुमान व काळ या राशी आधारभूत मानलेल्या आहेत. त्याचा उपयोग करून इतर राशींचे मापन होते. लेट्स लर्न Another point, that is fundamental quantities. Fundamental quantities are physical quantities that cannot be defined in terms of other physical quantities as they have their own units. ज्या राशींचे प्रमाण ठरवता येते अशा राशींना पायाभूत राशी असे म्हणतात. Length, mass and time are the three most commonly used basic or fundamental quantities. The units of these quantities are called fundamental units. A number of other quantity can be expressed in terms of these fundamental quantities. For example, speed is expressed as length upon time. Such units are called derived units. Area, volume, and density are derived units.